G'day guys, what's hot in the house? It's actually the weather is hot. Okay, so we're gonna talk about adding and subtracting fractions. Let's start with something non-spicy, and then we talk about some very spicy fraction addition and subtraction later on. Okay, let's start with a very typical example: 2/3 plus 1/5. So the natural thing to do is to make the same denominator, so which is the bottom have to look the same. So you can traditionally you can do find the lowest multiple of 3 and 5, which is 15. So you multiply the 3 by 5, and also do multiply the 5 on top as well, and you multiply 5 by 3 and 3 on top. So now this becomes 10/15, which is equivalent to 2/3, and this guy here becomes 3/15. Easy peasy. So you can add them together. 10/15 plus 3/15 obviously going to give you 13/15. Alright, so this is what we used to do in year 9 to make the bottom the same, or denominator. Another quick way, we always talk about quick maths and big brain. Another big brain way is to do this. You think about 3 times 5, which is, do the butterfly method, or cross multiplying, like this. So I do 3 times 5, 15. Bingo, right? Money in the house. 2 times 5 is 10. So do this one first. And then 3 times 1 is 3. Then put a plus in between. Boom. You see? Same answer. Easy peasy. Alright. So let's talk a little bit about the second method with the letters. So if I have 1/x, say plus 1/x plus 1. Oh, make it 2. So it looks a bit more complicated. So this is a very spicy fraction addition. We use the same way, right? We just do the butterfly method. So these two got to be multiplying together anyways at the bottom, like the previous example here. And you cross multiply this guy and this guy. So 1 times x plus 1 is just itself. Or actually, we gotta take care of the bottom first. So make a very long fraction. Then you do x times x plus 1. Obviously, you don't have to do anything here because there's nothing we can do really, right? So just x times x plus 1, they say. So now we take care of the top. So we do, because we see here 1 times x plus 1 is just x plus 1 itself. You can put a bracket right here, or you don't have to. It's entirely up to you. So put a bracket here for you to see. It's going to be the x plus 1 on the bottom times 1. So plus here, so you put a plus in between. And obviously 2 times x gives you 2x. Now we just need to clean up the top a little bit because they are like terms. The bottom is already the product, so you don't touch the bottom at all. So leave in this form. Should be beautiful. X plus 2x gives you 3x. And 1, there's no more like terms, so just labeling by itself. So here we go. 3x plus 1 over x times x plus 1. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's go over another example with minus. So, you can see the point clearer. So let's say you have 1 over, make it 3 over x plus 1 minus 2 over, say, x plus 3. Okay, here we go. So right now we're subtracting fractions, and this problem is just absolutely fire. So spicy, right? Same technique really. So the two things at the bottom is going to multiply together, giving you x plus 1 times x plus 3, and you just keep it here. Just keep it here. You don't have to expand. If you want to expand, you want a bit of fun, you can expand, but I don't want fun, so I'm just going to keep it here. Then I do cross multiplying. So 3 times x plus 3 has to go first. So write out 3 times x plus 3. There's a minus in between here. So I put the minus. And then 2 times x plus 1 down here. Now that's the beauty right there, right? So we only need to clean up the top now. So we keep the bottom same. Plus 1, x plus 3. Yeah, just copy it down, copy and paste. Easy, Control-C, Control-V stuff. So now the top we have to expand and click the light terms. So we do the double rainbow things. And then, remember the minus here belong to number 2. So in fact, if you want to expand this one, you're going to circle this one and you multiply by everything inside the brackets. There you go. So 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. Minus 2 times plus 1 is minus 2. All right. Easy peasy lemon still squeezy. 3x minus 2x right here is 1x. But I don't want to say 1x. I just write x. X means 1x. Just like when you say banana means a banana, one banana. So over here is plus 9 minus 2. It gives you 7 or plus 7. Wow, look at that. No one can complain about this. All right. That's the end. Peace.